Hi, I'm T from the Information Lab Data School UK. Want to learn how to create a powerful quadrant scatterplot on Tableau desktop? Quadrant scatterplot charts use color to highlight data points from the average marks in both axes, showing us 4 insights in one go. We'll use Tableau desktop and we're going to connect to Sample Superstore. We'll need profit ratio, average discount, order date, continuous month, and one calculated field. Let's start by connecting to Sample Superstore on Tableau desktop. First, we'll click and drag profit ratio to our columns. Then we'll select discount, click and drag it into rows, click on the arrow over there, change measures from sum to average. Next, we'll be going to order date, right click on it and drag it into details. There, select month order date to make it continuous. I like to make the circles full colored, so I chose to change the marks, and now I'm going to create a calculated field on that little dot. Select the drop down and click on create calculated field, call it a quadrant. Here we'll insert our condition. We start by typing if profit ratio is greater or equals to the window average of the profit ratio and average discount, and Tableau will show you the field that you can add there, is greater or equals the window average of the average discount. Close it, and then that means that we have a high profit and a high average discount. Include now else if. We can copy this part until the average discount and paste. We're going to change the greater or equals on the first line to less or equals, and then change the text from high to low profit. We're going to create another else if. We paste what we copied again. We're going to change the second line from greater than to less than, and change it to low average discount. Finally, we'll include an else, and we'll say that it's a low profit ratio and low average discount. This creates a Boolean expression that will allow us to create the colors. Now we need to close with an end. Make sure the calculation is valid and click on OK. We created the quadrant. We're going to click and drag it into color. Then we click in the quadrant, compute using order date, and that changes everything. Let's make this an entire view so we see everything. Also, in the analytics pane, you can check and see that if we drag the average line as a reference, we have it all completed. Let's double click on the discount axis and untick include 0. And there we go. We have a full quadrant with 4 colors. You can now format the colors and do anything else you'd like. Next, if you want to add interactivity, check my other video that we're going to use parameters to change the axis. If you liked it, thumbs up, share, and subscribe.